called Town Center. Oh, it's Seabrook. Seabrooks. Wow. This is neat. My wife will
Turn
love
left
this
to
place.
Front Street.
We're gonna go through here. Wow, that construction is messing things up.
In 400 feet, turn left to East Myrtle Lane.
Oh my gosh, this is neat. Wow. This is like heaven. Pizza company on the left there. Yeah, this is a Seabrook is amazing.
Turn left to East Myrtle Lane.
Oh, the houses are so neat. We're gonna go back into this neighborhood just a bit. I want to see what it looks like.
Turn left to Campfire Lane.
Oh my God, this is the this is the seaside of Washington, basically. They got a little
Take the
paths.
second left to Sea Star
so
Lane.
neat. So we're gonna go around.
Turn right and then turn right.
We're gonna go around this circle.
Turn right to Compass Street.
I love all the houses are different. Like they're not like all cookie cutter the same. Oh, my wife.
In 400 feet, turn left to Meriwether Street.
This is the hidden gem of Washington. And there's trails, it looks like, that go away from the neighborhoods. Through the woods.
Turn left to Meriwether Street.
I need to look on Google Maps and see like how big this place is. I will save that for another trip. I think Seaside, Florida and Seabrook, Washington are my two favorite places in the entire United States. So I think the
In 1/4 of a mile,
pathways
turn right.
are made of crushed shells, it looks like. I want to try and get back to the downtown area. Actually, I can go this way. Oh, there's a little shuffleboard park.
In 400 feet, turn right to Blackberry Street.
Yeah, this is incredible. Like, what do people do that live out here? They must be permanently retired because there's no
Turn right to
businesses out
Blackberry
here.
Street.
This is where you go to retire. Oh my
In
gosh.
1/4 of a mile, turn right.
They have a Airstream restaurant up here. It's like there's 3 food trucks there. This is not a one-way street, is it?
In 200 feet, turn left to Seabrook Avenue.
Definitely have narrow streets here. First I wondered if it was a one-way, but then I see cars parked facing the way I'm driving.
Turn left to Seabrook Avenue.
Yeah, this is just way cool. They should film a movie
In
here.
300 feet, turn right to Front Street. Turn
Look at
right
the-
to Front Street.
Look at the ocean in front of us. Oh, there's a Front Street Market, it's called. That looks really neat. Farmers Market on Saturdays.
In 200 feet, turn right to Washington 109.
Wow, I might have to
Turn
make
right
a
to Washington 109.
separate video of this. Well, that
Proceed 3 miles on Washington 109.
was Seabrook. I'll definitely make a separate video of that. That was awesome. Definitely can't take an RV on those streets. Don't even try it. So here, coming up on the left, is the Pacific Beach State Park. And there's camping at this one. Looks like, oh, RV camping. Nice. This looks really nice. We'll check this out when we go back south. We'll stop here. See if I need to buy a park pass or not. Entering Pacific Beach. I want to drive through there real quick. They have a chocolate festival. Wow.
In 400 feet, turn left to 4th Street South. Turn left to 4th Street South.
Pretty big
In
town.
400 feet, turn right to Central Avenue.
Wow, that's a sleepy little town. Oh wow, there's a resort there, Pacific Beach RV Resort and Conference Center. Not sure where the RVs park.
In 1/4 of a mile, turn right. In 600 feet, turn right to Homer Street and then turn left.
Ah, here's the highway again.
Turn right to Homer Street and then turn left. Turn left to Washington 109. Proceed 1.5 miles on Washington 109.
And we are entering Moclips. Village by the sea, it said. Oh, they have a museum of North Beach, it said. Wow, we're way up on the cliff. The ocean is way far down on the left. Yeah, we're gonna map that Pacific Beach State Park when we head back south. I think we're gonna stop there. It's only 3 o'clock. We got time to make a park video. I feel like you're at the end of the world here.
Route guidance is now finished.
They've got to have a grocery store or something here. Okay, I see the bulk of the town is down below me, it looks like. This is the Moclips River. Beach access. Go back to that beach access. I think we're gonna start heading east soon. So I think that was pretty much Moclips back there. So I'll try and turn around up here. I'm gonna see what's at the top here. Like there's a business I could turn around at up ahead. They don't want you driving through here with COVID. Must be on the reservation. Oh, it goes to Tahola. Moclips is not the end of the road, it's Tahola. But with COVID, tourists are not allowed. So that's all right. We'll go back to Moclips. Okay, we're entering Moclips again. I've heard about that on the news, how because of the limited resources and how far away a lot of the reservations are from cities, that they're trying to keep COVID out, which makes sense. And if you don't live there, then, you know, don't go there. It's the first time I've actually seen the sign, though. We're gonna take this beach access road. Definitely not Seabrook. Well, I think we're gonna call Moclips good and head back south. Map the state park.
Before we go on, please say address, place of interest. If you are looking for a place near your current location, please tell me the name. Otherwise, say change location.
Pacific Beach State Park.
Okay, searching for Pacific Beach State Park nearby. I'm finding more than one match. Because it may take you a while to choose, please do so manually from the display. Guidance will start now.
All right, so we are mapped to
Turn left
Pacific
to
Beach
2nd
State
Street.
Park. And I think we'll call this video good, and I will see you in 5 minutes, hopefully. Thanks for watching.
In 300 feet, turn right to Washington 1.